Welcome my YouTube friends. What's up? I am Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I want to thank you for coming and hanging out with us on our crazy channel where most of the time we're showing you vans and what we do to them. So behind me I have two vans and I would love to hear what you prefer. Would you go old school, tried true, love it, Ford, and then on the opposite end we're gonna go brand new Chevy, and we're talking brand new. This thing is awesome. The customer just got this and brought it to us to outfit it. If you want it, both of these things are going to have build outs in them, and if you want to know more about the Ford, I will put a card up above. You can check out that Ford video, and I'll also put a link down below. But really what I want to show you guys right now is this awesome Chevy Express behind me. And you might be thinking, well, that's a really cool four-wheel drive van, but that's way out of my price range. And I have good news for you, is that this is not four-wheel drive, that this is only two-wheel drive, and this has our 5-inch lift kit on there, which is awesome. So let's go over what all is involved in this 5-inch kit, and then additional things that we added to this, like our front bumper, our stealth winch bumper. This is awesome. And what's great about this bumper, we might as well just jump into the bumper since we're already here, is look at how close this is to the front of the van. So it's not anything obnoxious and ridiculous like most winch bumpers where they stick a foot off the front of it. So this is really nice. The winch is going to tuck behind the skid plate here and sit back underneath the grill. That is rad. It's also going to have two D-ring hooks for your recovery points on there, or your winch fair lead when you're not using it. So this bumper is all made of steel. It does have some aluminum cover plates. You can opt to do the cover plates in the bumper or not, and then an awesome aluminum skid plate. And I will make sure that I put a link to this bumper down in the description below. So if you're thinking about adding a bumper to your van, now is the time to do it.
Hi guys, it's Caden Johnson, 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we got our brand new merch. So my dad's gonna tell you about the special that's going on.
Heck yeah, guys. So we want to promote Growing Up Garage, and we got shirts for the little kids. We got jackets or hoodies for the kids. We got awesome pink hats that Caden is rocking. And what we're gonna do, guys, is anybody in the month of May who goes on our website and buys any Growing Up Garage item, for each item that you buy, you're gonna be entered into a drawing. And at the end of May, we're gonna give you $300 in credit towards any of the WeldTec Designs products. Now here's the little trick in it. You can't combine this with our stimulus savings, so we're kind of doing two different things right there. But guys, check out Growing Up Garage, support what we have going on here and about kids learning. So if you guys like hanging out in the garage with your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whoever it may be, you can tell them you want a Growing Up Garage shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kendall? Yeah?
So always support Growing Up Garage.
All right, guys, so that's the deal. We'll see you guys later. We're hanging out up here. What did we do to this? So, of course, we did our 3-inch spindle in the front of it. That's gonna give us the majority of our height. In addition to our 3-inch spindle, we added our aluminum leveling spacers, but in this case, they're not really leveling it. They're just giving us another 2 inches of height in order to clear these 33-inch tires. Well, technically, they're a 285/70/17 tire, sitting on a 17 by 8.5 inch method wheel, 0 offset, the Method NV in black. This thing is awesome. You guys know that we love our method wheels wrapped in a BFG KO2 tire. So a whole lot of stuff going on right there to make this very nice. No trimming is really necessary. Everything works really well. We do a trim in the back of this sometimes if necessary. And if you want to know more about how to trim that or gain more clearance for your tires, I will put another card up above where you can learn how to trim that body mount yourself. as we move back to the back of this thing, in order to get the height out of the rear of this, we added a set of custom springs to the rear. So this is a 7-leaf pack that we've added into the back of this to give us all of our height. Oh, that's what I forgot to mention in the front. In the front, to finish it off, we added Fox shocks in the front to control your ride, which makes it really nice. They have a lot more rebound in them, which really slows it down, because otherwise these tend to get really bouncy. Another big thing that we do to the back of these Chevy vans, when we either do our leaf springs or when we do just some of the build outs in general, another good thing that we will add is our negative overload spring. So if you are going to be doing a build out, whether you have a cargo van or a passenger van, unless you have a lot of weight in there, you're gonna notice that the back ride's a little bit rough and bouncy. That is going to be the benefit of running our negative overload spring, which is going to be really nice and really help soften your ride, just so it's not, these things are made to carry a ton, you know, like all the time, and when they're not, they just ride rough. So our springs in the back, and then Fox shocks in the rear. You can see what's really nice back here. Again, we're running that 285/70/17 tire. Plenty of room in the front and rear of the wheel well. No trimming is necessary in order to run this big tire on your Chevy Express van. Now this is gonna be a 155-inch wheelbase van. This is going to be the long version of the van. So, and as you come back to the back of this, we're working our way around it. Ooh, excuse me. That Starbucks, you know? Uh-oh, I got a car behind me. He's just, we'll make him wait, you know? He ain't fitting through there, is he?
You all dressed up and everything. You going on a date?
Yeah, where's your girlfriend?
That's what she's not here, because she said I'm going on a date later.
Oh, all right, see? You gotta wait then, you know? Hey, where's your mask?
Oh, right here?
Yeah, it's not doing you any good on the floor. All right, you gotta love the neighbors in the complex. You know, everyone has a good time with each other. That's what's awesome. So in the back of this thing, how awesome is this? We're doing our dual swing bumper back here. And what's cool about this is it's gonna open all up. If I can just open it up, we'll swing this out of the way, and that's gonna lock open, giving you lots of room back here in the back. And you can see, look at that. So your door is still gonna open to the little sticky point in the door, which is going to be really nice. And what's really cool about this thing is you guys are gonna have to check out another awesome build out. I know you guys love these build outs. This is another really lightweight build out, but you can at least see he's got plans back here. So this is our friend Wade, and Wade is gonna be building out this, and this is actually something that we do a lot of times, is we'll lay it all out in tape, so that way we can kind of get a feel for it, how it's going to work. You can see that he's already started by doing the dyno mat on the walls and on the ceiling, which is going to be really nice. So hopefully once he gets this build out all done, he'll bring it back. We can show you the end result of what he ended up doing back there. But you can see our Chevy bumper. What's really nice is it's gonna give you the tread plates right here, so you can actually stand on to get in. That, you know, it may not be a lot, but that extra 4 inches when your van is lifted really makes a big difference climbing in and out of your van. One other thing, he's put the big fan up in the top. That's gonna be nice for circulating all the air. I just wanna see this thing done. Wait, are you done yet? Are you done yet? Maybe by the time this video gets posted, he'll be done. Probably not. So our dual swing spare tire. I am just a jumble. I got marbles in my mouth today, guys. Super cool. Love it. There's that word again. How many times do I say that? If I said it more than 5 and someone catches it, dude, you're getting something free. I'll send you a shirt or something. Who knows? This is not our box. This is our good friends over at Illuminous. Illuminous Products. If you're looking for a box, call up Dave. Say, Dave, I need a box for my van. And then say, Dave, when are you gonna go be on a podcast with Jeremy over there in the attic? I keep bugging him to come over and hang out with me and BS. So, I think that's it, guys. I wish this thing had rock sliders on it too, so I could show you guys those. But that's it. Another 5-inch lift kit. This thing sits really nice. I mean, I like it. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think, though? Ford, old school Ford, new Chevy, old Chevy. What do you guys like? What do you prefer? What would you build? What do you want to build? If you have questions, let me know. I hope that you guys found something in this video a little bit interesting and that informative. And if so, smash that subscribe button. I need a thumbs up. Can I get can we try to get like 100 thumbs ups in this video? Like only 100. I'm being easy. 100 thumbs up. Come on, give me 100 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. I'm Jeremy. I'll see you guys later.